Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise chapter number 1 of the book Vistas, which is the third level. As you know that I have already taught you this chapter in the class also, but to make you this chapter more clear, I am just trying to tell you the brief summary of this chapter to you again. So watch this video carefully and after that read the chapter thoroughly. In this chapter, the third level is a story that weaves together a psychological journey to the narrator into past, present and moves towards future. In this chapter, the narrator, whose name is Charlie and his age is 31 years old, he went into the Grand Central Station, but there are only 2 levels of the Grand Central Station, but he tries to say to everybody that he has visited the third level also of the Grand Central Station, and through the way of the third level way, to the way of that level, he visited the past time. He had gone into the past, and from that past he came into the present again, and from the present he wanted to buy the tickets and he wanted to go in the past again in his future. But nobody was trying to believe on his things, but he was saying this thing with surety that yes, he has visited that station. His age was 31 years old. He was an American and he was trying to share his unusual experience with everybody. But nobody was trying to believe on his things, because everybody knows that he lives in the life of imagination. Now he took the names of some old-fashioned things like the dressing sense of the people and their beards, mustaches, engine, funnel-shaped and old kind of furniture. By taking all the names of these things, he was trying to say that yes, he has visited that place. He had seen the people there, old-fashioned furniture there, so that everybody could believe on him that yes, he had visited that place. When he went into the third level, means according to his imagination, when he went into the past, he went into the ticket window to buy some tickets, but he was having the old currency with him. That's why he could not buy the tickets from that place. After that, what did he do? He wanted to get his currency exchange so that he could buy the tickets, and he could take his wife also to see the World War that he wanted to see at that time. Now the Charlie goes to get to the ticket for Galesburg. Means he wanted to go to the Galesburg and he wanted to buy two tickets, and he wanted to go to the Galesburg. He wanted to see the wonderful town, big houses, huge lawns, plenty of trees, people and lots of leisure time. Surprise when the clerk says that it is not the currency, he will be put behind the bars. So when he went to buy the tickets and when he showed his currency to the ticket collector, to the person who was sitting in the ticket window, he said to the Charlie that you are having the different currency with you, and if you would not give me the correct currency, I will call the police and you will have to go behind the bars, means you will have to go into the jail. Now the Charlie's wife was very much worried about her husband's condition, because she knew this thing really very well, that her husband is trying to escape himself from the modern insecurities and worries and the troubles, and he was living in the life of imagination, but nobody was trying to trust on him. Now his worried wife takes him to the psychiatrist friend. He refuses to believe, says it is a waking dream, wish fulfillment, as he could not face the modern world which is full of fear, insecurity, war, worry, stamp collection and refuse from reality. Now his psychiatrist friends explains the things to him and said that this is not the thing that you are telling to us. You are just trying to escape yourself from the modern worries, wars and the insecurities. You have not visited the third level, or you have not gone into the past. It's your imagination only. Charles desperately wanted to go to the Galesburg and so exchanged for old currency, but could never find the third level. Now the Charles was not believing on any of the persons. That's why he got his currencies changed, but he could not go in the third level. He could not find the third level again, and he could not visit the place that he wanted to visit with his wife. Sam's, means his friend, disappearance has something to do with Galesburg, as he found of that place. Now Sam, who was his psychiatrist friend, he thought that Sam was disappeared at that time. He could not meet the Sam again. Sam also wanted to visit the place Galesburg, and he was very much fond of that place. So one day while going through his stamp collection, he finds an envelope containing a letter of July 1894 written by Sam, who is living at Galesburg, assertions the third level. Now when he was Charlie was very much fond of his stamp collection, and when one day when looking through of his stamp collection, he found a new letter that he has never seen before. He opened that letter, and it was the letter of the Sam, his psychiatrist friend, and it was written in that letter that he has reached in the Galesburg. He was happy there, and he wanted Charlie also to go there. Charlie finds that Sam had bought old currency worth $800. Sam was Charlie's psychiatrist. Now Sam had believed this thing that Charlie had believed on this thing that Sam had gone on that place. He also wanted to go on that place. His psychiatrist friend, whose name was Sam himself, was denying him that there is not the third level, it was his imagination. Now he himself had gone on that place. It was completely based on his imagination. Nothing was like that on the third level. So it was this chapter was completely based upon Charlie's imagination, and I have already taught you this chapter. So after watching this video carefully, you will have to read this chapter thoroughly so that you can understand this chapter. Still you have any doubt regarding this chapter or regarding the summary of the chapter, you can call me or text me anytime. I'll solve your problem. All the best.